Hi, I'm Heather, the camera girl, and the director, and these are our characters.
Hi, I'm Rose, and I'm Heather. Hi, I'm Kayla, and I'm playing Jack. Hi, it's I'm just playing some strange woman.
This is the remix of Titanic. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Oh, it looks like they're fighting. Oh no, Rose! You guys just threw her off the boat.
It was her life job. It was your fault. See what you do?
Someone help me out here!
I'm not jumping. Me neither. I don't know how to swim.
Let's go!
No.
Before the boat moves!
Oh yeah, I love.
Jack, you're an asshole!
Sorry.
You make the fucking woman come get me.
Now my pants are all soaked in ass. Come here, bitch.
Ooh, cat fight.
They're not together. My heart will go on.
And that's it.